Today we're playing with Thomas and his friends.
Thomas and his friends.
The story is called Thomas and the Pizza Man.
Okay. So, what happened?
In the island of Silt, a long quarantine, Thomas
and his
and
friends.
were going outside.
Huh. They're allowed to go out again?
Yeah.
Okay, so probably no one is sick anymore, so they're allowed to go outside again. So what was Thomas doing?
He was picking up some passengers
Okay.
while singing together. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine.
You seem to be happy, Thomas. What's up?
Yellow submarine.
Why are you happy? That's a nice song.
Thank you. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. I must be in a hurry. I don't want confusion and delay. All steam ahead.
Thomas is happy that he's finally out. Okay, so Thomas dropped some passengers at the station. Meanwhile, Percy
Was picking up some passengers.
Percy was also picking up passengers. There comes Percy. Percy's coming out. Hello, Percy, said Thomas. Where are you going today?
I'm picking up passengers.
Aha. Well, good luck. Have fun. So, today is a nice day. And after a long quarantine, I'm finally out. I'm finally free, said Percy. So Percy was busy taking passengers. I wonder what happened. How come there was a quarantine? I hope that the people are not sick anymore, said Percy. And then Percy was
delivering the passengers.
picking up passengers and bringing them to their stations. Choo-choo, said Percy. Meanwhile, the other trains were busy helping in the quarry. It's time for them to pick up some coal and deliver them to the other quarry.
Meanwhile, there was a bulldozer. Hi, bulldozer. I need some load.
Sure, I will help you. We have a lot of coal here today.
Thank you, bulldozer.
Who is this?
That's expert.
Yeah, and who is this train?
Emily.
So Emily is delivering the coal today. Oh no, I am going to turn black and dirty again, said Emily. I must wash well later. I don't want to get dirty all the time, said Emily. Oh no, why am I taking this trek?
Here, load for you. Thank you.
other trains are also busy helping in the quarry. Wow, finally I'm out after a long time of staying inside. Finally I can see the trees and the flowers and I can breathe some fresh air.
Hey, Tom, will you promise me that you're not going to swing on the cranes anymore? Yes. So Tom will not swing on the cranes anymore.
Okay.
I need some load. So the bulldozer again. Give Tom load.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm in a hurry.
I'm turned around to the other quarry.
I have some delivery for you.
Thank you.
Now I feel light. Thank you so much. See you later, said Tom.
Meanwhile, the Fed controller ordered pizza. I haven't eaten pizza before, so now I would like to eat pizza.
And there comes the pizza delivery guy. Hello, Mr. Fat Controller. Here's your pizza.
Thank you.
Okay, here you are. Wait a minute.
And then
Oh no, the Fat Controller ran away and hid. He went inside and the Fat Controller was very scared. Oh no. Could it be that people are still sick? I have to hide. And Thomas the Train heard that. And Thomas the Train went back to the yard. Oh no, I should hide, said Thomas the Train. Oh no, people are still sick. I can't be sick. And the other trains heard that. What's the matter, Thomas? Said Emily.
There is a sick pizza delivery man.
Oh no. Does that mean we have to hide again? We have to stay inside again? Said Emily.
But how about Percy?
Oh no. We should call Percy. Percy!
Yes!
Said Thomas the Train. Where's Percy?
I need to wash first. And then Percy washed. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. So Percy washed.
I should hurry home. They're calling me, said Percy. What is the matter with you guys? Why are you calling me? Said Percy.
There's a sick pizza delivery guy.
Oh no. Does it mean that we have to stay inside all the time again? Said Percy.
Yes.
Oh no. It's going to be boring. It's going to be a boring week again. Don't worry, Percy, said Thomas. We can all go out when everybody is well.
And then, so Percy went in the shunting yards, and then the trains waited until everybody's better. The end.
Okay.